back to my morning report analysis videos on Wednesday, the 11th of April, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at dollar yen, which is interesting because it's basically sort of buzzing sideways now. It has, as it has done for the last week or so since the breaking of that downtrend channel. The outlook is improving still. I should say it's still holding on to the improvement in the outlook, but it's sort of threatening to sort of lose impetus. I think it hasn't broken above 107.50 for the past few sessions. That's been the limit. And again, yesterday we saw a rally up towards that level and market falling over again back towards 107. You've got this little mini uptrend that is still building, 2-week uptrend, and still building and holding. But you've sort of got these momentum indicators which are back towards levels where previous rallies have sort of failed, around the 60 point on the RSI, around neutral on the MACD lines. Arguably that's rolling over as well. Stochastics, although are still in strong configuration, have sort of topped over. So there is a sort of a suggestion that the market could be close to sort of breaking this little mini uptrend. As you can see on the hourly chart, which has been in place since that bottom in sort of late March. You sort of had this, let me just tidy up this slightly, there you go, and it is still intact, but it's had a go at it this morning. And you've got the momentum configuration. Look at this RSI topping over at 60 suddenly. MACD line's not really showing such strong momentum. So is this sort of consolidation that could start to turn into a sideways move? And again, the overhead resistance at 107.90, 107.65, 107.50, sort of limiting the gains. And it could turn into a consolidation move that breaks that uptrend, and then you sort of look at this becoming a sideways range. So that would be the risk at the moment, looking at this chart. Inflation data this afternoon is key on a near-term basis, and it will be interesting to see how the market reacts to that. So watch out for that and the Fed minutes tonight. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.